محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله
Not to look at the past in a way that makes you determine a person's present. You know, you might hear, like, it happens a lot these days. Sometimes you want to marry someone and you end up asking a person, you know, I'd like to get married, what do you think of this person? And they tell you something that person did in grade 5 when they were at school, and something they did in Form 1, and say, I'd be careful. You know what? I'd advise you otherwise. That was such a long time back. Look at what happened to their lives thereafter. Okay, it depends the magnitude of the issue. You got to look into it. But you need to be careful what you say about people. Is it really what they are today? Is it really something that happened recently? Is it something that you really think they're involved in right now? If that's the case, you have to be honest to say, you know what, I know one or two things and so on. But otherwise, what we should be learning, every one of us, if we were to be exposed, even the people we are married to now would probably leave a lot of us. They'd leave us. Sorry guys, don't nod your heads, please, because that's quite bad. But it's a fact, it's a fact. This is what happens. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us all, and may Allah open our doors and grant us goodness. Marriage is a topic that everyone wants to talk about. The only thing I do know about Blackburn and marriage is when it does happen, this is a good venue to hire, inshallah.
أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد